Hello and welcome everyone. I am standing right in front of the stall of Sunita Engineering Corporation with Mr. Rohan KELKAR. In search of the proud Make in India products, we have been through a lot of cities. Here in Ahmedabad, we can see and explore a lot of innovations which are totally Make in India. And I'm standing right in front of the one of such innovation, which is CNC milling machine by Sunita Engineering Corporation. Mr. Rohan, can you please get us through the journey of making this in India?
So we manufacture 5-axis CNC machines. We are actually one of the very few companies who manufacture these machines, and I can proudly say that we are probably the first company in India to manufacture a 5-axis machine in the micro machining space. So we started back in 2016 when we first designed our first 5-axis machine, and this machine was a small tabletop model for the dental industry. And gradually, as we progressed, we sold a lot of machines in dental, and eventually we are now also expanding into the industrial 5-axis space. So this is our product. It's called the 5X100. It's a full 5-axis simultaneous machine, which we manufacture in-house in Nashik. The controller is also proprietary. We manufacture the controller of the machine as well. And this machine is specifically targeted for small complex parts. So when you say small complex parts, what comes to our mind is medical, jewelry, watch manufacturing, and any kind of small complex part basically. So if you see the form factor of the machine, it's an extremely compact machine, very, very high rapids, extremely rigid, and perfectly suited for making small parts. The idea here is, so we patented this design of our machine. Back in 2018 we received the patent, and now our patent is global. So we have our patent in most countries in the Europe, USA, South Korea, India, Japan, and a few other countries. So this patent basically helps us to create an isolated chamber where the machining can take place. And it isolates the machining chamber from all other mechanical and electronics of the machine. So wherever dust extraction is important, this machine perfectly matches those needs, because in an isolated space we are able to machine the parts you make here. So you're able to extract the dust very efficiently. So if you're machining gold, you can extract gold very efficiently, and that's the whole concept of this.
Yeah, but if I have to elaborate on just one or two USBs of this product, why people should come and visit and explore this innovation, what would it be?
Firstly, I would say that this technology is finally available in India at a price point where the country can adopt this. Secondly, since we manufacture this machine, supporting our customers all over India, which we have been doing for the past 35 years now, is something which we do day in, day out. So the customer gets a solid machine, which is extremely repeatable. The repeatability is very good, extremely accurate, along with a very strong service network all over the country. You are basically able to make very, very small parts very accurately at an affordable price.
Talking about the Make in India campaign and the successful contribution KELKAR family is making to it, I would like to understand, do you think that in India there is a perception to get more attracted to any imported substitutes?
Yes.
Response-wise, how you find this machine getting an attraction?
Generally, what Indian buyers are saying is if you're able to deliver a good product at a price which we have accepted in the industry at a good price, Indians want to buy from India. If we are able to tick all the right boxes, India is definitely a very promising market. And Indians want to buy from India, basically build great solutions, solve their problems, and come up with better designs.
That's right. Adding one more question to this aspect, it's been said that in India, the cost effectiveness, it's a tough job to make the pricing or something. So what is your thought on it? So in order to deliver the quality, what should be the approach by the Indian customers?
I think companies should focus on vertically integrating all their technologies which they use in their product. We are not buying the controller from any supplier. We make our own controller. So that is one way where we are able to push the cost down. Another thing is we have the entire manufacturing setup in Nashik. So we don't buy ready-made parts from suppliers. We make our own parts. So if you look at our product and our technology, we are a very well vertically integrated company. All the technology used in this machine has been made by us. And that is how we are able to push the cost down and then come up with a price point which is attractive.